Everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll compare Cash App with PayPal. So, which one is better for you to use in 2025? Whether you are sending your money to friends, paying for services, or handling any business transactions. We'll break down the key differences of these apps, their security, their speed, the ease of transactions, and so on and so forth. So, let's just get right into it. Starting with the speed and ease of use. So as you can see, the Cash App, it is known for its super simple interface and instant transfers. And within just few steps, you can send or receive money instantly as quickly. But on PayPal, it is while a bit complex, but considering that it is a global giant with extensive payment options. And if you talk about the fees and costs of these both apps, the thing is that PayPal usually takes up to 1.75%, while Cash App takes 0.5 to 1.75%. But the standard bank fees transfer is free for both apps. And if you talk about the security and the buyer protection, PayPal basically has a stronger buyer protection, which is obviously it's global and it has greater online purchases. But if there's an issue, there's also dispute transaction option available. On the other hand, Cash App is better for trusted contacts, but it lacks the dispute resolution level protection. And lastly, I'll discuss the comparison between two to make things easier. So if you want quick, simple payments with no hassle, Cash App is best to go. But if you need for any international payments and also buyer protection, you should definitely go for PayPal because it is a safer option. Thank you for watching my video.